Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform an initial clear on the NR510R register. So an initial clear is a way of unlocking a machine that's jammed or got some error message that you cannot resolve. It's a bit of a last resort procedure. You should always try and resolve an error message in the correct fashion before resorting to a initial clear, but if you've exhausted all other possibilities, then this is how to perform the initial clear. So I'll just generate an error message. So we've got an error message going on, we can't resolve it by normal means, so the way of resolving it with an initial clear is to turn the key to the PGM position, turn the machine off at the rocker switch on the side, and then press and hold down the cache tend button here, and then while holding it down, turn the machine back on at the side and release the cache button. It'll then come up and say initial clear, enter cache key, at which point you press cache. Are you sure? So for yes, it would be yes. The machine will perform the initial clear. If you are halfway through a transaction, that transaction will have been cancelled, and so if you were doing programming, that programming is unlikely to have been completed, and likewise if you were doing a sale, that will not have been completed. You can now turn the key back to the reg mode and carry on using the till in the normal fashion. For more information on using the NR500 series, you can check out the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.